muchísimas gracias a todos por venir a esta nueva edición de la Candela Academy, dentro de lo que para nosotros es el Tecno Summit. Como saben, nosotros organizamos estos eventos para buscar una forma en la cual ustedes puedan acceder a información constante, que se puedan ir actualizando constantemente sobre las distintas temáticas, las distintas tecnologías, procedimientos, protocolos, no solamente de la mano con experiencias locales, sino también con expertos internacionales. Quería agradecer al doctor Firas, la doctora Alfonsina, doctora Cónica, que se me perdió, ¿dónde está? No la veo. Cónica, que bueno, vinieron de bastante lejos, y después obviamente al resto de los speakers locales que le van a estar transmitiendo sus experiencias. Con esto también lo que les quiero decir es, todos aquellos que quieran luego transmitir sus experiencias para los próximos eventos, obviamente están muy más que invitados, porque de eso se trata. A mí me encantaría que dentro de 3, 4 años toda la temática, todos los 2 días o 3 días si es necesario, sea constantemente con experiencias que puedan compartir entre ustedes. Antes que nada también le veo un reclamo a la AFA y a la FIFA para evitar, Argentina no va a jugar nunca más. El último fin de semana de junio, el año pasado nos tocó un partido, esta vez también. Bueno, de nuevo, muchísimas gracias a todos. En el transcurso del día van a escuchar distintas temáticas sobre distintos tipos de procedimientos, distintas tecnologías. Obviamente consulten, pregunten, porque es buenísimo que se saquen las dudas, que puedan aprender. Y después también va a haber no se pierdan el cierre del día de hoy, que va a ser muy muy bueno, con un cóctel también de cierre. Y bueno, espero que disfruten de la velada. Mañana también tenemos otra linda jornada. Y los dejo con el señor Marin de la empresa Candela, también como para que les haga una introducción. Sí, muchísimas gracias.
Buenos días. I'm a little bit disappointed because for the first time in 15 years in working in Latin America, thank you, I was prepared to do my presentation completely in proper Spanish. But since we have translation, I'll speak slowly in English. I've been coming down to Latin America for 15 years. I've been very fortunate to work with many technologies, and I've learned a lot of things in my career. And early on I learned that when you buy a medical device, you're just not purchasing a box. You are making an investment in a relationship with the manufacturer and the local representation. In this particular case here in Argentina, the relationship is with Candela and Tecnoimagen. And that's a very important relationship that I have found is built on trust, trust earned, and trust given. And we need to earn your trust, and we work to do that every day. So I thought, since we have some changes at Syneron Candela, or Candela, I would introduce you to the new Candela. Just a few minutes, a couple of slides, and then we have a guest speaker coming to you from Candela. So, '1970 is when Syneron was founded, and it certainly became a very trusted name in the industry. Additionally, we had a wide range of safe and effective products, profitability-based energy devices, proven energy technology, and we keep trying to offer you more and more. The company became known as the leader in medical aesthetics. We had more than 58,000 devices installed in July of 2017. We have a large global footprint. We're in 100 countries. We have extensive product portfolio of 600 granted patents and patent applications. We are the #1 dermatological energy-based device company in the world. I keep going the wrong way. 1970, Candela was founded. 2004, Syneron went public. They acquired Primeva. Syneron acquires Candela. We acquire UltraShape. And then in 2017, a company called Apex purchased Syneron Candela. Who is Apex? Apex is a $46 billion private equity firm, and they are all over the health industry. So they came in, and they started to make changes. And the first thing they said is, we've got to go back to Candela. No more Syneron, we are now Candela. We're going back to what made Candela the global leader. We want to make sure that we have something for each of you in all of your clinics, something you can offer to all of your patients, trusting us and knowing that we will be offering a high-quality, gold standard technology. So before I go to the next slide, Danny, are you in here? In case you don't know who Danny Oliveira is, Danny is the clinical educator for Latin America. If you need retraining or any kind of training, or you hire a new staff member, or you purchase a new device, Danny will come down and give you your preliminary training. Craig Dawson, if Craig can stand up, he's part of the Candela team. Craig is the service manager. He's probably the most important person on the team. He's the one that keeps your systems up and running. So that's the Candela team, and we're excited to be here. What I want to play for you very quickly is the CEO of Candela saying a few words to all of you.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Krause, Chief Executive Officer at Candela. It's my pleasure to welcome you to our global organization. You're joining our company at a really exciting time. We are on our way to building the #1 medical aesthetic device company worldwide. We're growing, and most importantly, we have a talented team of colleagues all around the world. Our brand promise is science, results, and trust. We build our energy-based devices based on the best physics, optics, and software capabilities. We publish our clinical results so physicians can deliver consistent results to their patients. We strive to provide the best customer service, technical, and clinical support, earning the long-term trust of our physician customers. From our diverse strengths and commitments to advanced energy-based technologies, our team of talented colleagues make a real difference in supporting our customers to enable their patients with greater confidence and vitality. We also support various charities using our technologies to help wounded warriors and others suffering from traumatic scarring all over the world. As a Candela colleague, you are an integral part of our ability to realize our aspirations and make a difference. With an engaged leadership team leading our strategic direction, we are fast becoming the #1 medical aesthetics device company worldwide. We are one team, one company, with one vision. In becoming the #1 medical aesthetic device company, and as your CEO, I ask that you embrace our Candela values: teamwork, focused execution, transparent communication, and accountability. By embracing these core values, we are poised to achieve our 4 strategic pillars. #1, quality and operational excellence. Lead with quality in everything we do. #2, effective and efficient organization. We seek to develop and cultivate industry-leading talent. #3, diversify our revenue streams. We're making investments in marketing and product development to build recurring revenue and consumables that create value for physicians, patients, and us. #4, new product innovation. We are investing in focused research and development to address unmet market needs and, importantly, improve patient outcomes. I think that passion for what we do is really key. We have what I call a relentless focus on execution. We need to deliver for our customers, for our patients, and for our business. And so the people that work here are focused on execution. It's kind of mind-blowing what they're able to do by pulling a lot of different ideas together and then looking at how those physics interact with the human body. Bridging that gap between the physical science and the clinical science, it's not easy to do it right, but we have such expertise on both sides that almost make it look easy. in the conversations we had with customers, not just here in the US, but around the world. They literally say, Jeff, Candela's the best brand. Candela has the best products. What can I do to help? We want Candela to be successful because Candela is the industry. That's inspiring, right? That they have that kind of faith and trust in our ability to bring the science and the results to them. They're thrilled. They're excited that we're back in, you know? I've heard people say Candela is back, and that's a great feeling. On behalf of our global team, we are glad you are joining us. We sincerely hope your passion to make a meaningful difference will be rewarded through your work experiences at Candela. And we wish you many days of great success. We are one team, one company, with one vision.
Well, I wanted to introduce you to Candela. We look to earn your trust every single day, and we look forward to growing and working with you. And I thank you very much for having us here today. Thank you.